In the second video, let's start doing that part of the frame. Will be that one is the first, and that one the second ones, other one is third ones, and the fourth ones is this one here. Let's go. The size of the pipes we have to cut. For this part here, 304 mil, is this one here. This one is 500, and other one 300, and other one is 200. This one here is 500, and that one 500. Other part here is the same, pretty the same like that one here. And I'll show how can you glue this 4-way piece, and this piece here. One side, and another side. Okay. Connection, because if you put this, when you put the pipe here, put the glue in, put the glue inside. Wow. Okay. This one too. And pressure. Okay. And now position here and pressure. Make sure they still in the same position. This is why we need a flat place. Okay. Same position. Just put pressure here, pressure here. That's it. We have to make two frames of this. That frame will be frame number 1, and that one will be frame number 4. Now let's build frame number 2. As I said before, all of size is the same, and the only difference is this connection is 5-way connections. This only difference between this frame number 2 and frame number 1 and number 4. Just this one is different. And let's do it. Okay, now pressure. Make sure these two blue and square. Okay. Now let me put this one first, and glue here and glue here, and here. This is the position, and a little bit. But in this case we put this position and make sure this distance is the same as the end of the pipe. It's okay. And this one here, like position here, up here with the camera. Put like this, and you see this distance the same as the end of the pipe. This is okay. And now this should be frame number 2 and frame number 3. Now all of 4 frames is ready to go.